with Compass Real Estate, and I am excited to give you a house tour of 3218 Western Drive today. Come on in. What I love about this house is the open floor plan. The current owners took this wall away right here to kind of open up the space, and the nice vaulted ceilings really just give it a lot of room in here. The current owners did a bunch of upgrades on this house, including adding wood floors throughout. So we have newly updated cabinets as well as newer appliances, including the refrigerator, the microwave, and the stove. And if you have an eye for design, these open shelving units really give you the opportunity to create these sweet little vignettes like the current owners have. And the laundry room is conveniently located right off the kitchen. So here we have a full bath, conveniently located to the other two bedrooms. And our first bedroom is currently being used as an office. And the current owner is a sound designer, so he's got a lot of equipment in here. But it's just about the same size as this second bedroom over here, which makes a perfect second office or kids' bedroom. And over here we have the master. So these guys like to get up and do their yoga in the morning, so they're using this additional space as a little yoga studio, but with these times, this could actually be an additional office space or sitting area as well. Really lovely, nice, spacious master with an ensuite. So what's so lovely about this master bedroom is that it leads with these French doors right out into the backyard, which is so spacious and full of entertaining opportunities and relaxing opportunities. We have this awesome covered outdoor space, great for entertaining, barbecues, having friends over, definitely an entertainer's backyard. What's so nice about this house is that it has an L-shaped backyard. So this will take you right back into the dining area. And they put this canvas up here so you have a secondary sitting area, have a glass of wine at night, a cup of tea or coffee in the morning, and then voila, you're right back into the main living space.